Hazrat Abu Qatada radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the day of Hunain said, "Whoso has got any proof of killing a person will have the belongings of that killed." So I got up to find a witness to the killed one, but found none to bear witness for me. So I sat down. Then it transpired on me that I should mention it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thereafter one of the people sitting along with me said, "The weapons of the killed being mentioned before me are with me, so make him pleased with me." Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, "It will never happen. Don't give the weapons to him. Will a badger of the Quraysh be granted wealth, whereas one of the lions of Allah who fights for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam will be deprived of it?" The transmitter says Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued orders and his weapons were granted to me. I purchased a garden from them and it was the first property which I acquired after embracing Islam. Abdullah with reference to Lays has narrated to me, then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up and caused to give me the weapons. The people of Hijaz say a ruler must not make judgment as per his knowledge, though he is a witness to it before or after holding this office. If the opponent before him claims the right of the other in the court, some people of Hijaz holds this view that decision will not be made until two witnesses are summoned and made him confess in their presence. And some of the Iraqians say whatever one hears or sees in the court passes the judgment on it, and on some other place he should not pass judgment without two witnesses. And some other of them say he should pass judgment, for he is trustworthy. For witness means to know about the fact which has been transpired rather more than that will transpire through a witness. Some people say he can pass judgment according to his knowledge regarding fiscal affairs and not in other matters. Qasim says it is not legal for a ruler to make judgment according to his information without asking others, provided his knowledge is better than that is gained through witness. But there is an apprehension that it might create the thought of calumny in Muslims' heart and they might experience suspicion, whereas the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam disliked suspicion. So once he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "She is Safiya." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7170.